Oh. What's up, Team T, baby? You guys might think I'm wearing the same outfit that I wore the other day in my shoe haul video. But like I told you in that video, this outfit I stole from this collection that I wanted to do, that I'm doing a try on haul for, just to wear in that shoe video because I thought it was so cute and I couldn't wait to put it on. So as you see in the title, today we have Shein. Remember this? I couldn't pronounce it last time. Shein collection. But this is part 2. This is summer outfits. So we got 4 really cute summer outfits. Now, as you already saw this one, I'm still going to show you it again and show you the deets on it. But these outfits are definitely, I chose a very different, like, meaning to all of them. So I chose like one that's like, you'll see, I'll explain it to you during the process. But this first one is so it does fold up all the way here, but it's a little big on my waist, so I was like folding it here, but it's such a soft material, and it goes right above my calf, which is good because you guys know I have ginormous calves. But it's so comfortable, like so comfortable. I love the tube top set with the pants, the capri pants. I think it's darling. And then of course it fits very good, shows the gains in the back. And this is like the outfits in this set that you can, you know, squat proof, dance proof. You can literally, you could do anything in it. Like, it's like an outfit where I can eat as much as I want and the pants will still be stretchy at the top. And the top, of course, like I say, tube tops, don't wear those strappy bras, ladies. That doesn't look good. But this is definitely an outfit where you can function. You could do a lot in it. So I love this one. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Wow, girl. So this one is very cute. It has under protection underneath the skirt, so if the skirt rises, you have these shorts underneath. And it's a little bit short in the back, but it's one of those outfits I would wear, like, take a picture and get back to doing what you were doing. It has a button right here and a zipper that goes all the way down. Sorry if it's a little crooked. I love army print. It's my fave. Now this is a skirt where it's not squat proof. Definitely not. Shows the gains. But you don't want to eat a lot in this skirt because the button will pop and this will zip down. This is a skirt where you want to look cute, take your freaking picture, and put your sweats back on. This is a look cute outfit. This is a do not eat too much because, girl, this shit is gonna pop off outfit. So just look cute and keep walking. Put on some heels and then take it off. Ladies and gentlemen, look how cute this shirt is. Finally, it fits me. I got a big enough size for freaking people who go to the gym and lift. Now, this is so cute. It has 2 ties, so I think I tied that one a little bit off, but you should, you know, if you're normal, you'll tie it in the middle. The sleeves are like not too tight on your wrist. Oh, we're going through a disaster right now. Button popped. Okay, so this you want to tie definitely tighter, but in the back it's a full coverage, and in the front you got to be careful. I would say wear some pasties if you plan on lifting your arms up so this doesn't come up. One of my new favorite shirts. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, this is adorable. Now, this last outfit is something I didn't think I would choose myself, but this screams vacation. So it's very flowy, open on the arms, and then it ties here in the back. So you have a tie in the back. Yes, very good for dancing. Very. This is like super cute beach outfit, super cute over the bathing suit. I love it. It is very different than what I'm used to, but I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. So I needed something like this because I don't have a lot of this in my wardrobe. So I thought, why not switch it up and get something that's like a little bit different. So yeah, I got those 4 items. You guys, no, try on clothes is such a freaking workout. Like, I feel like I'm getting more cardio doing this than my normal cardio I do on the daily basis at the gym. Like, I swear, try on clothes, go ahead and do it. Try it and just keep on trying clothes and trying clothes, and it's like, it's a workout. But anyways, this was part 2 from summer collection of Shein. And I love this collection because everything's so comfortable, also because summer is here, so I need stuff more like this. It's like crop tops, shorts, things I can wear when it's hot, but then when it's kind of getting cold, you have like a half sleeve, you know, or you could throw like a cute jacket over it. But like always, everything will be in the description, so you can check out which ones I got, what sizes I got, and you can look at their website and their shop. They have so much cute stuff to choose from and so affordable. So really good, ladies and gentlemen, and also really good for gifts, really cute gifts. Oh, I thought I had a sneeze. But anyways, that is all I have for you today. Just these 4 really cute items that you must see and go take a look. And I will see you all on my next video. I love every single one of you, and have a beautiful and blessed day.